It is the Port City Hunter, and I will be coming at y'all with a toy review on this Vance Astro from the Guardians of the Galaxy wave, the new wave. So yeah, there's a little art. You got Dark Hawk. I really need this. That's the one I want. Last one I want. We got all of them except for Dark Hawk and Star-Lord. Don't really want the Star-Lord, but yeah. There's Vance Astro. Easy slit. I am waiting to open my packages in. Oh no! Alright, so we got that all fixed. But yeah, as you can see, I do have the rest of the wave from the old first Guardians of the Galaxy wave. Been in box sets. When I was collecting that wave, I guess this was what she said could really have brought me back, but I really stopped, and you know, that X-Men wave got me back. But yeah, I didn't get that Star-Lord or Iron Man because I always seen it, and then by the time I had the money for the rest of it, it was too late. But yeah, this right here, Vance Astro. Let's get this off. Let's get this guy out. You can see a little Guardian symbol on the back. Yeah, he's pretty standard figure. Probably the blandest figure out of the whole wave, if you know what I mean. Let's get out his shield. If I can open this up. Oh shit. Whoa, there goes that. Shield, basic Captain America shield. I do like this a little better than the straps because it just clips on, but I think the straps are kind of nicer. I don't know, it's kind of like, yeah, you know. Yeah, let's see. Let's get this on. Should I try getting in that pose? Yeah. He's pretty stiff. Oh, what the hell? Y'all see this? Come on. This was the first Vance Astro we saw, so we did snatch it. And then we saw a better one at the next Walgreens, if y'all seen it in the video. This figure is kind of damaged. Like, I don't know if you can tell, like, there's a discoloration on his leg and stuff. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that or not. Let's see. We got the foot movement. We got focus. Focus. He's focusing on the background. Okay. Focus. Okay, right there. Oh shit, don't not fall. You got the pivot. I think there's a, yeah, I said you got the calf movement. And the pivot foot. You got thigh movement. Head goes down that much, goes up that much basically. His arm can move around all the way. Got that. Turn the arm all the way around. Ab crunch. Kinda stiff. Oh wow. Yeah, he's a pretty stiff figure. Yeah, you got the wrist. Of course. Alright.
10 bands, 50 bands, 100 bands, fuck it, man. Let's just not even discuss it, man. OMG, niggas sleep, I ain't tripping, I'ma let them sleep. I ain't tripping, let them rest in peace. I can tell you how it happened. I can tell you about them safe house.
Another one.